This is Dr. Anirban Biswas, a consultant neurologist from Kolkata. I run a specialized vertigo clinic and have been doing so for the last 3 decades here. My practice is limited to balance disorders and some ear-related diseases only, nothing more. I will be making a presentation on the rational approach to a patient of acute vertigo in a physician's clinic in a live webinar on the 5th of September, that is this Saturday at 7 p.m. The purpose is to update you on what is new in the diagnosis and management of vertigo. The presentation this Saturday evening will be followed by a question answer session where we will discuss and try to solve the different problems faced by you in dealing with vertigo patients. Please come prepared to clear your doubts and share your experience on these patients so that all of us can learn from each other. The beneficiary, of course, will be the hapless patients who present to you and to me with vertigo. We owe one evening to them at least, if not more. My sincere thanks to Abbott Healthcare for giving us this educational platform and this initiative to take the subject forwards, and to DocMode for providing this platform. Well, expecting to see you on the 5th of September at 7 p.m.